post-thaw checking on all our spots to make sure everything is okay. First stop is the fountain here at the Parks and Rec. We had to turn the fountain off, buddy. It got too cold. Now we're making our way over to the farm and garden. We'll cross through the garden first. Checking out all these trails. Headed up to the farm. It is so nice to have grass under our feet. Getting a little Freddie time. You can head to his farm, check on all his critters. Where'd all the water and snow go, buddy? It's empty. Always the pokey little puppy. Curiouser and curiouser. We've got some guests feeding the chickens and the goats. And we're going to go through the barn and see our bunnies. Hopefully, they may not be taking visitors. Sometimes they stay warm. Nope, the bunnies are closed up, buddy. There they are. You come see them. You come see them. You can see them. Don't see them today. They got their door closed. Just a perfect ending to a beautiful sunny day at the farm and garden. Love your people and your puppers. We love you.